Hi everyone, welcome to episode 7 of the Pro Series, presented by Metropolitan Floors. Today we're covering a hot topic, radiant heating. More and more homeowners are cozying up to radiant heating, and today we'll cover how it affects flooring before, during, and after installation. First of all, read the installation instructions to ensure the flooring you're installing is compatible with a radiant heating system. In those instructions, you'll also learn that the radiant heating system must be in full working order for 2 weeks before you can install. You'll also have to ensure the system has been turned off for at least 24 hours prior to installation. Once your floor is in and the system turned on, raise the temperature by 2 degrees Celsius or 5 degrees Fahrenheit a day. Any faster and you could shock the floor. Ensure the floor's surface temperature won't exceed 28 degrees Celsius or 82 degrees Fahrenheit, as this could damage the floor as well. Radiant heat is a dry heat, so make sure proper humidity levels are maintained to keep the floor looking great. More and more people are warming up to radiant heating, but if you remember these important tips, everything should be cool. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching and happy installing.